In this video, I'll just quickly explain how to read a brand association map. What I'm using is a template that is available for free at perceptualmaps.com. There is a link below. Okay, I've run a brand association map for Apple, and this is the outcome. So obviously we've got our brand here, and basically we've got Apple very close to innovation. Now, of course, we've compared all these points in the data. All of these should be relatively interrelated. So expensive and quality sits together, innovation and high tech sits together, status and stylish, status and quality, etc., fun and friendly. So associated logical attributes fit together much in the same way as a perceptual map. Obviously, the closer we are, the more relevant we are to that particular attribute. However, if we have something that is quite different and sort of doesn't logically fit anywhere, sometimes the map sort of puts it off to the side. So we know Apple's relatively easy to use, but we've also got a difference between easy to use and expensive and quality. Often we think of easy to use to be simplistic. So when we collected the data, we worked out that, hey, Apple's strongly associated here. And the other factor I've got here is a competitor. So competitors often push around the data a little bit because they are a little bit different to what the main brand is. So basically, that's all we're doing. They're quite very attractive visual techniques, very handy for assignments and generating where the brand is at the moment. So as I said, this is from a free template. The link's below. Feel free to download.